Benjamin Franklin in his famous quote says, "Tell me, I forget. Teach me, I remember. Involve me, and I learn." And that's what we do at LEARNTOR, offering an holistic, agile digital transformational learning experience. My name is George-Igbafe. I am the founder of LEARNTOR, where we teach you in Scrum, Kanban, data analytics, design thinking, even UX UI. You learn and you get certified thanks to our partner Scrum.org. Without them, none of this would be possible. And I want to say thank you to our professional trainers that has made this a reality. Because they believe in our vision and our cause, they've supported us through cohort 1 to 5, and they are still here to support you. Now I have a big news. We have our partner, Upskill, that is going to be taking our learners and giving them job placement with our European partners and get them to get 2 months learning experience where they practicalize, get your hands dirty. My friend said to me the other day that, "Mercy, do you know that in Canada today, Scrum Master roles, once they advertise in certain region, Nigerians, Ghanaians, and Cameroonians are listed not to apply for those jobs." The reason is we are so misguided and thinking by becoming a certified Scrum Master makes you skill set. No, the answer is no. You need to understand the processes, the technicalities, and how to work and function within an agile team. That's what LEARNTOR offers you. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. If you want to learn more, give us a call. Apply on the link there and talk to us and let us know what your thoughts are. I look forward to having you join our group of alumni and be the game changer and disruptor of African continent, driving technology with the skills that we train. See you in class.